Okay, question 26. What is the total number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in cadmium atom that has a mass number of 112? Alright, so first of all, we want the total number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So that means we're adding them all up. Okay, and we're talking about cadmium. So let's find cadmium, which is right here. 48 and 112 is mass. So the 8 number is 48. So we have to add protons, electrons, and neutrons together. So the protons are 48, electrons are 48, and now neutrons. It has a mass of 112. The A number is 48, so minus 48. That gives us 4, and then 64. So 64 is the number of neutrons. So we have to add all together. And so now you can use a calculator again, just to make sure you don't make any mistakes. So we have 48 plus 48 plus 64, and that equals 160. Is that right? Yes. Okay, so it equals 160. Alright, and it wants us to do what? Bubble it on their answer document. Alright, so this is number 26, and it is a griddable. The answer is 48 plus 48 plus 64. Let's check that again. 48 plus 48, 64. Yep, is 160. So what does that look like? 160 subatomic particles. Those are whole numbers. Anything that's a whole number goes in front of the decimal, and the answer would be 160. You still need to bubble in those numbers, so this would be the correct answer for number 20. That's not 24. Sorry, 26, guys. Number 26. All right, there you go.